The definition of madness is doing the same thing over and over and over and over and expecting a different results. Is not what someone said? I think someone said that. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to another day of Manchester United being bumbleclad Manchester United, fam. Make sure you like on the video, subscribe, right down there if you're brand new. Referee, blow this, fam. Let's go. Listen. Manchester United, as I said in previous videos, and I'll continue to say so, has been shit and will continue to be shit. And I thought, okay, maybe revamping the team, changing the system, changing the starting lineup, things will be different this season. No, it hasn't. It's been weirdly worse. It's been absolutely shit, bro. And it's all because of the system. It's all because of the manager not willing, able, or even know how to change his system. I'm going to talk about it now. I'm going to talk about his 4-3-3 or his 5-2-3. I don't know, bro. But the way he's playing his football at the moment is not helping at all. The Ahmad at right wing back, not helping at all. The two man at the midfield, Bruno Fernandes and whoever else in play with him, not working at all. Last year, Manchester United problem was scoring goals. And we thought, hey, listen, we can change that. Bring in Cunha, bring in Mbeumo, bring in Sesko, problem solved. No, it hasn't, bro. You think, all right, maybe you have 5 defenders around and also well protected on the back. No, bruv. No. Last game, this manager chose Harry Maguire to play in the centre back. So as fuck Harry Maguire, bruv. We play the ball play over him head, can't recover. Cannot recover. Had that been Lenny Euro, him would have run up on the man right away. I don't understand why this man chose to pick a team setup that he cannot manage. No, it's simple. Play 4-3-3. What does that do? That gives you an extra man in the midfield to cover the slowness of Casemiro, to cover the effectiveness or lack thereof of Bruno Fernandes in the defensive side of the team, who can carry the ball. You have protection on the back because you have a right back and a left back, 2 center defenders. Plus, moving forward, Bruno can be more effective in the number 10 position, bro. And then you have a striker in the middle, 2 right forward, 2 forwards, left and right. Ahmad can come in on the team, and Bruno can come in. They don't have to play every game. This is not something that revolutionary. This is not me identify Manchester United problems and leave it out for you guys, so it's going to fix it. This is something that is common bumbleclad sense. Hey baby, this is something that is common sense, bro. This is something that you can say without a shadow of a doubt and know that it can succeed, bro. So what's you and Amorim doing, bro? Okay, I'll fix it for you in a second, baby. I don't understand. You learn how to play football. You develop a 5-3-2 or whatever you want to call it. Okay, fine. If you develop your formation, don't you know how to play other formations, bro? Good job. You don't know how to play formation, brother? You don't know how to set up a team differently? Watch this. Last game they play Brentford. losing 2-1 to Brentford. You know what he did? Bring off a defender, play 4-3-3. You're chasing the game, and now you're playing 4-3-3. Why couldn't you play 4-3-3 when the game start? I was defending this man. I've been defending this man. And as long as the Manchester United coach, I will continue to defend this man. But I will tell you, the few viewers that listen to me right now, the man is doing a bunch of shit that I am not liking, bro. Rants and bans and your friend them and the internet world, they said that this is like week 4 of you and Amorim. They've been saying that this man have no sense. And I'm beginning to believe that they are bumbleclad, right? I'm beginning to believe that they are right. People, me don't know, fam. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Zoe, say Manaz. Manaz? Manaz.